What is up guys, Panda Studios here, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to build your own Lego vending machine. But before we get into it, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, demolish the like button, push the notifications bell, and comment your opinion down below. Also, let me know what to build next, because I ran out of ideas. So here's the vending machine itself, and you're probably wondering where did I get the idea of making it. A person in my discussion forum on YouTube told me to make one, so I did make one. Also, comment what should I build, and maybe I'll build it. As I said, I sometimes run out of ideas. And if you like the build, there will be a tutorial at the end of this video. But first, I'll show you how this thing works. So here you have your vending machine. You take this thing, and here you put your drink. Then you take this coin or a dollar bill. Then you put it right here. And then the drink comes out. The mechanism is pretty simple. It's this little thing. You just slide it backwards, and when you slide it, you see this little floor, yellow floor in there for the drink. The floor just disappears, and then the drink drops. See? It's a minifigure sized vending machine, so if you want to make a stop motion or something, you can just see it's minifigure sized, and just to make the minifigure, put a coin in there and, you know, make a stop motion. So yeah, I decided to make it yellow and green because, you know, I've had all the pieces for this color. So yeah, if you're interested in making it, there will be a tutorial at the end of this video. Also, I printed the logos. Yeah, pretty much everything. Simple. Pretty simple vending machine everyone can build. So if you're interested in making the vending machine, there will be a tutorial. I already said it like 100 times. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, tell me what to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.